Meaning of Eccles cake.
Eccles cake.
Eccles cake.
Eccles cake.
Eccles cake. An Eccles cake is a type of pastry that originated from the town of Eccles in Greater Manchester, England. It is made with a buttery flaky pastry that is filled with currants, sugar, and spices such as nutmeg and cinnamon. Once baked, it has a crispy exterior and a soft, sweet filling that is slightly sticky. The combination of the rich pastry and the sweet fruit filling makes for a delicious treat that is often enjoyed with a cup of tea or coffee. Overall, Eccles cakes are a tasty and popular pastry in the UK.